Septic tanks clean the dirty water produced from our daily lives and distribute it into drain fields. Meadow blowers play an important role in maintaining that purification process by sending air into the system. The main features of meadow blowers were born from over 40 years of experience. Their design allows the piston to move smoothly in the cylinder, limiting the wear and extending the life of the pump. Low noise and vibration are made possible by having only the piston as the moving part. Vibration is further decreased with an anti-vibration design. Maintenance consists of simply replacing the filter and piston, saving considerable time and effort in repairs. Meadow blowers demonstrate their true value in biogas power plants, aquaculture systems, and all other applications requiring clean air. Meadow blowers meet the needs of customers by responding to various flow rate requirements. We provide the high-quality performance and long life that the consumers can rely on.